Now, the history of crimes. In the beginning, starting में there was no law, कोई भी law नहीं था, and there was the concept of retribution, जो हमने पीछे पढ़ा, आई फॉर एन आई, टूथ फॉर ए टूथ, वो कंसेप्ट चलता था. उसके बाद स्ट्रिक्ट लाइबिलिटी प्रिंसिपल आया. In India, there was the two laws, Hindu law and the Muslim law. Under Hindu law, there was the Manu Samriti and the Narda Samriti and the Yajnavalkya. Manu Samriti is the substantive law, and the Narda Samriti and the Yajnavalkya Samriti is a procedural law. In the Muslim law, there was the Muhammadan law, and the punishment is the Qisas, Had, Tazir. Under the Qisas, there is the eye for an eye, tooth for the tooth rule. Under the Had, there was given the specific punishment कि अगर किसी ने मर्डर कर दिया तो उसके लिए ये पुनिशमेंट है, अगर किसी ने रेप करा तो उसके लिए ये पुनिशमेंट है. Then the तज़ीर, there has been given the discretionary punishments कि अगर कोई भी पुनिशमेंट किसी ऑफेंस की नहीं दी गई तो कोर्ट की डिस्क्रिशन है कि उसने क्या पुनिशमेंट देनी है. Then there has been emerged the British rule. When the British rule has been emerged in India, there was the Muslim law at that time, and the first court has been set up is the Mayor's Court. Then the Regulating Act 1773, there has been placed the separate criminal law and the forgery courts. At the same time, under the 1774, the Southern Nizamat Adalat, which has been Supreme Court in the Calcutta, has been established, and in the year 1800 and 1823, the Madras and the Bombay Supreme Court has been established. Then Regulating Act 1793, it is also called the Cornwallis Act, and the appellate courts has been established. There has been 4 appellate courts: Patna, Dhaka, Murshidabad and Calcutta. Then in the year 1861, the High Court Act has been placed, and at the time all the Supreme Court has been abolished and the High Court has been established. Then at that time Privy Council was the supreme authority. Then there was the Charter of the 1833, which is the important charter. In this charter, there has been formation of the first law commission, and the Macaulay has to given the duty of to write the IPC. Macaulay start to wrote the IPC in the year 1834 and completed it in the year 1837. There has been almost 3 years. Then in the year 1857, there has been revolt had been started, and in the year 6th October 1860, the IPC has been enforced.